value. I'm sure you realize that it's very easy for people to get used to things and stop questioning reality. People tend to think that silver is so cheap and it just has to stay that way forever. We have many years of history showing that silver is significantly less valuable than gold. People are used to the fact that silver is cheap, and they don't realize that the time will come when silver will return to its true value. Prices of precious metals always fluctuate, and if we watch those fluctuations, we can benefit from them and make money with them. The fact is that since 2005, which is just a few short years ago, the price of silver has skyrocketed. If you look at the charts, you'll see that silver costs more and more every single year. For that reason, if you invest in silver, you'll be able to get a high return on your investment in just a few short years. Looking at the growth in silver prices that we're seeing now, just imagine what it's going to be like a few years from now. We're approaching a tipping point at which the reality of the current and future situations will dawn on people. Once the message gets out that the currency, which most people think is tied to real value, gets so low that people stop accepting it as payment, things will get crazy and everyone will turn to truly valuable things to try and protect their wealth. Another reason why silver is great to invest in is the fact that new mines are few and far between. There is more silver in the earth to be mined, but the mining is not scaling up anywhere near as fast as demand is growing. This means that much of the silver that's mined is a byproduct of other mining processes, where a company mining for other materials sells off the silver it finds as it goes. When silver becomes even more scarce, which is happening all the time, it will be more valuable because people will still need it. Because silver mined is outstripped by increasing demand, many reserves of silver are already very low or empty. Countries need silver for reasons already given, but because production is limited, we're slowly starting to run out. The US government has no silver left and has even turned to outside sources in order to be able to mint silver dollar coins. If you use this opportunity to invest in silver at today's prices, in a few years you'll be able to liquidate it with a huge return on your investment. As time passes, there will be less and less silver freely available, and the price will go up as those that have it realize that it is increasing in demand. As I mentioned earlier, it doesn't require a lot of money to invest in silver. You can start with just a couple of dollars. If you have $30, you'll be able to buy an ounce of silver. If you have $3,000, you can buy 100 ounces. There's really nothing to stop you at this time. And silver is consumed in industry more than ever before. I think we've covered enough of that side of things for now, and I'm sure you've got the message about the many and increasing uses for silver. Reason 9. When currencies get weak, people turn to precious metals. There is a tendency whenever the economy is bad and currency loses its value for people to turn to precious metals such as gold and silver. It's close to impossible for silver to devalue over any significant period of time. People understand this, and that is precisely why they invest in silver when they feel that the value of their currency or any valuable currency in the world is dropping dramatically. When they fear an economic crisis, they go to silver and precious metal brokers and increase the bias of their portfolios towards safe storage that precious metals offer. And this is a tendency that's displayed by every nation for many years, so use this knowledge for your own gains. The last reason why silver is a great investment is that the price of silver keeps increasing. As I mentioned before, silver is becoming more and more valuable, and in just a few short years it's doubled its market value. In 2005, it cost $7 to buy an ounce of silver. Now it costs $17 to $19 to buy an ounce of silver. And the trend that you see here is not going to change. Prices of silver will always increase, and the fluctuations will be minor within the overall context of silver's increasing scarcity and increasing demand. The general tendency will be that gold will become more valuable and silver will follow, but also have additional increases due to its unique additional uses. It's best for you to spend some money on gold and silver now so that you have a solid investment that you can realistically get back with significant increase in value in just a few years. Okay, in the next video I'll talk you through what type of silver to buy.